All right, fig tree, red banana. Ice cream, black or purple Suriname cherry. Fruit punch, finger lime cherry, or finger lime, dwarf coconut, Malaysian cocoa, improved carabao, sugar loaf, sugar apple, lychee, ooh. I believe that is pina colada. And up here, what do we got? Sweet tart. A whole bunch of soursop planted, and cassava as well. Coming up here to the side of the property. This is kind of the end. It's big diamond triangle property. I mean, this is Alano Sapadilla. It's doing pretty well. Yukon was the dog that passed away. That's a Hayden Mango. This guy lost all his leaves. Now it's coming back. I believe it's a, Longan. That was a Home Depot buy. This is an Audrey ficus. That was put in a long time ago. And it just never died. I'm thinking about taking it out because I'm a little worried about the roots. Oh, Kent Mango. We have all down this whole row to this fence is going to be a fence for the dog. These are the kennels, storage, but Mexican sunflower all along the fence line. We're going to walk down here, and right here is our Malafala breadfruit. And come down here. You can't really see it right now, but there's little shoots popping up. That's bamboo. And then this is, I believe, white sapote. This is a Jamaican cherry. This is our lemon drop mangosteen. Yep. A lime tree, an orange tree. That one didn't make it. Jaboticaba, Murta Jaboticaba. It does good and then it does bad, back and forth. This one got knocked over by a dog. It's still green, so I'm thinking it'll make it. But this one is a Densler white sapote. I believe that's something else actually. Namwa banana. Here we have a Mapulehu mango. Jackfruit right here. And then we're gonna go down Hawaiian Lane right here. There's some bamboo. It's variegated. See the leaves? Really pretty. Half of it kind of doesn't like the sun, half of it, the shaded part kind of gets, it's doing well. This is Raposa. Here we have Excel, Malaysian dwarf coconut, mango R2E2. There's another Hawaiian mango golden glow. And here's the pride and joy just put in today. This is orange sherbet. Orange sherbet. I'm looking forward to tasting that one. Everybody's favorite. This one is a Keat. Keat's doing good. We've got the Hawaiian kukui nut trees planted kind of along the berm. Got some oleander over there. There's an avocado tree back here, and a few more how trees just for wind block. I'm gonna come back here. The dog's knocked over a banana today. That is, I forget the variety. Oh, the double banana. Two banana stalks come out at one time. There's just star fruit. This is all summer long mango. And this one over here is dwarf Hawaiian, followed by right up here, this guy is a mulberry. This one is a Ruby X guava. This guy's doing probably the best. The amount it's grown so quick. This is a black sapote, otherwise known as chocolate pudding fruit. It literally tastes like chocolate pudding. We got a Valencia Pride right here. Lost all its leaves when I planted it, but they're all budding out. And this one is a white guava. Again, lost everything, but you see the buds. All of them are just taking off. So he's doing good. Just planted all these up here today. So this one is, and I'm doing ground cover of perennial peanut. This is Bombay. Bombs. I believe that one is a, I'm gonna have to get in the sprinkler. Super Alfonso. Super Alfonso. There are great things about that one. This is a Pineapple Pleasure. And this one is a Van Dyke mango. This is a Gray Abiu. No, this is Z1 Abiu. Otherwise, it's a Jamaican fruit. Poisonous when you eat it, so if you come here, don't eat one unless I tell you to and show you how to. This is a Gray Abiu. So I put them next to each other just in case they need to cross-pollinate, or I hear if they're close to a different variety, they'll produce better. So a few more bananas, and then we got a Hayden. So up here I'm doing a wind block. So all these trees are gonna be big. This is an M4 Howbush Juliet mango. A few more bananas over here. Juliet. This one I believe is a Kent, I believe. Yep. And then, ooh, this one is a Malika. I hear mixed reviews on that one. Moringa, this stuff's incredible. Just eat the little baby leaves when I walk by. It's got like every nutritious nutrient that you need. This is a double grafted mango that I did myself. A couple local mangoes. That's another Hayden. Another Moringa. This is all stuff that I have not planted yet. So, all sorts of some really cool stuff. I'll get into it later, but I'm looking forward to playing around with some of these. Some really great avocados, loquats, star apples. Yeah, just all sorts of different things. Oh, these are Jamaican cherries. Fun stuff. Really just rare varieties of bananas, cashew nut trees. There's a couple of Haydens. This is a really good orange tree. But kind of the critical care, you know, plants that are doing a little damage from shipping and stuff. Put them in there for a while. Papayas, mulberry, Suriname cherry, ice cream bean, really good for chop and drop. We got fig tree right there, got mowed over, but you can see it all coming back. We had this is willow, type of willow. They call it, like, you can make stuff out of it and different things, but I'm gonna propagate it and make like almost a living fence, or a big I can't even think all day. I've been working all day. All sorts of cool little stuff in here. We got lilikoi growing up. Lilikoi's all on that back fence, and these yellow tomatoes are phenomenal, really good. All sorts of citrus in here. White sapote right there.